there is so much variability in what is social emotional learning and the different interventions and programs and approaches that are available. Some of them are in front of paywalls, some of them are behind, some of them are short kernels and strategies, some are school-wide, systematic, multi-year implementation. So there's a huge range of what SEL could be in a school community and how a student and teacher and family maybe engaging with it. And that can vary across a school year and across multiple school years. So it becomes a pretty tricky algorithm in thinking about, who's benefiting, how, and what. Like, what does it really look like? And something that makes me a bit nervous is that we have a tendency in educational accountability structures to have kind of check boxes about these things. So it's like, are you doing SEL, right? Or is SEL a part of? Are you investing in the social emotional health of your teachers, of your students? And it's like a yes, no, right? It's a frequency of how often is it, how much is that dosage a week or a school year? I would argue they're not even the tip of the iceberg when thinking about the full kind of range and depth of experiences. And again, you could say that across any academic discipline, no domain, but yet that's kind of the metric, that's the bar that we're using kind of right now across the country in most cases, right? It's just this, are you doing it or not? But what it is and how and for who and over time, we're still very early in looking at those explorations.
For more information about social and emotional learning, please visit readingrockets.org. This project was made possible by a partnership between the National Education Association and WETA.